Esperança Street. É que o mundo cai. Rua da Esperança. Alleys of Taipa village. Narrow lanes of homes and businesses. Of the village through the alleys of Taipa village, a small little enclave in the greater Macau. Alleys of Taipa village, narrow lanes of homes and businesses, meandering and wandering, showing it while walking about.
Okay, this particular street is in Taipa village. It's called Esperança, so let's just highlight it up there. And it's kind of sandwiched in this pretty cool little space with my messy kitchen, which is, we'll just see, we can say hello real quick if they're open. And that is kind of a busy area down that way. And sometimes people are strolling around through here as well. You can see Galaxy Casino way in the distance as well. And then this is going to be our target street right here. And this is called Travessa da Esperança in Taipa village. So stay tuned, let me put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it! Okay, so we're going to be walking down Esperança right there. It's kind of a cool little alley. There's a lot of alleys in this area, Taipa village, and this is one of them. And this used to be a Spanish one right here. This used to be really well known, and then during COVID the chef left. But now it's a Portuguese one called Belfante, but it's sandwiched right in here as well. I'm going to just take a look and see if my messy kitchen is open or not. Looks like it's. Let us say hello real quick. Let's say hello.
Hey, how are you?
Very good to see you. Yeah. So this one is they have some really good things on the menu right here, so I thought I'd just say hello real quick. They have like minchi and a bun, and minchi is like a Portuguese dish. But the fact that it's in a bun, it's like really, really tasty. So sometimes I will get there, but since I'm gonna film a little bit, we'll just walk around. Kind of have a rainy evening here. Macau. This one is a little space like that. Lots of people down on our street, Esperança. I think Esperança goes down a little bit further. Maybe we're gonna explore a little bit in this area. Just kind of show you what else is around here, and then we'll come back to Esperança. A little square. There were so many people earlier, but there's K-pop events, so now it's a little bit quiet. Bruxas. That one is always really popular. It's quarter square. That has coffee shops up there. It is a coffee shop up on the rooftop. Lots of people in the park today. Then you can see Galaxy Casino in the distance way over there. Nice little park. So Esperança goes right through the Taipa village, and then you have all these people kind of hanging out here today. Actually every day, you always have something. There's matcha. Straight ahead. So we're going to connect right back into, yeah, the lighting is nice right now. The lighting is like perfect. Yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so Esperança is right back here. Esperança. So you can see the street sign. Travessa de Esperança. Doing a little bit of construction here as well. So we're going to continue down. The end of the street is not too far from here. That's kind of where we're at, this little space. Okay, so we're going to come to it. So actually this is actually Gai Voltos, so it's a different street. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to meander a little bit and just kind of give you more context. So we went through Esperança, we went into that little Macau, and I'm going to move over this way. I always like this little corner anyways. Keeps changing, there's different things. This has always been here, Porto Esquerda. There's another bar right here. And we walk across. Just gonna walk this way, I guess. I want to check out this one building over here, so that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm strolling a little bit into Taipa village a little bit more. And I wanted to get over to this pink building that's straight ahead. That one. So this one, they're doing some new things to this. So they're reconstructing it. And it's starting to be more realized. So this is Travessa dos Mercados. I'm going to be filming it more when this is finally done, but I'm also getting little pieces of it as well. But yeah, this whole thing is kind of a new addition. Has nice architecture to it. Anyways, I guess that's all we got for now. So yeah, Mercadores was our focus street. Not Mercadores, sorry. Esperança. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go down one of these alleys real quick. This one. Then we're gonna come to a conclusion. But yeah, so this is little type of village. It was really busy, but there's some big events going on in Macau tonight. Something with K-pop awards. So there was tons of people everywhere earlier, but I think now they're all at the awards itself. So that's has a different vibe now. It's more quieter. Let me just kind of see here. So I am going to try to go across the street. And our street, the one that we were looking at, let me just capture that real quick. I've always like those two buildings. So the street that we were looking down, we'll just overlook it, is Esperança Lane. I'm gonna pinpoint a few things in a few minutes. These red things are just came up because it's like a holiday coming up. These red poles. So I think they're gonna put flags up there later. And then this right here, you can see those books up there. So that is a biblioteca, a library. Let's go a little bit further down. And then the street that we were on was this one next to this yellow building. This one. So we'll go back down towards it. Then we're gonna end our video in a few minutes. Next to Dumbo. Gaviotas. Dumbo. Okay, so a little slice and Esperança is straight ahead. We'll just go, I guess we probably end it a little bit before we get there, I guess. I think it's probably enough. Alright, so Esperança is straight that way.
Rua da Esperança.